And thank you. Wilbraham and Monson Academy having a school-wide sick day today. In an email sent out last night to students, staff, and parents, the school announced it would be having this sick day so that everyone can rest and strengthen their immune system.
Western Mass News reporter Addie Patterson has more after speaking with the local doctor to see if there's been an uptick in illnesses around our area.
Tis the season for a lot of viral infections, and we're seeing a lot of influenza A. A couple of influenza Bs, mostly type A, and strep throats is pretty common right now.
On Thursday, Wilbraham and Monson Academy sent out an email to students and staff announcing that there would be a school-wide sick day on Friday. In a statement shared with Western Mass News, the school tells us they are being proactive, keeping health and safety as their top priority, adding, "Our 4 health center nurses have seen a few cases of the flu, a GI bug, and colds with respiratory symptoms, but nothing alarming for this time of year. In a residential environment, we are especially vigilant about maintaining a healthy and safe campus for all of our students, staff, and families."
This is the time of year we see this. I don't think it's anything out of the ordinary.
Western Mass News spoke with local Dr. John Kelly with Redwood Pediatrics in East Long Meadow. He tells us his office has been seeing lots of flu cases this time of year, but nothing out of the ordinary for flu season.
Compared to the COVID years, yeah, it's a lot more. When we were all wearing masks and staying socially distant and schools were closed, we didn't see hardly any influenza. But obviously that's not sustainable to stay like that in a community. So the best thing you can do is that if you're sick, stay home. If you have a respiratory infection, cough, runny nose, wear a mask.
Dr. Kelly tells Western Mass News one of the biggest things folks can do to prevent these types of illnesses from spreading is getting vaccinated.
The flu vaccine is pretty good at preventing influenza, getting the disease itself, but not perfect. But when and if you do get flu and you've been vaccinated, you can rest assured that you're unlikely to get seriously ill.
He also adds that the groundwork for a healthy immune system starts with simple steps.
Make sure you're eating well, you get plenty of sleep, and please get vaccinated.
Wilbraham Monson Academy also tells us Friday's sick day is meant to serve as a day of rest for their students, staff, and families to stay healthy during cold and flu season. For now, reporting in studio, Addie Patterson, Western Mass News.
Addie, thank you for that live report. And we have another night of Friday Night Frenzy on deck. Western Mass News reporter Matt Price joining us now at our game of